Hey guys, Zoe here from Zoe Designs. Today I'm going to walk you through a little unboxing. So for those of you who don't know, I'm the founder of Zoe Designs, which is a custom sneaker company. So it's only natural that I unbox a pair of my own customs. So here's a little bit more about me and my business before we get started. So I've been customizing sneakers since 2013, and I started off primarily painting just Vans, like white slip-on Vans or white lace-up Vans. And my business really grew a lot in the past 5 years or so, and I've grown a lot, and I've started to customize more Nikes and a lot of Air Force Ones, as I'm sure you've seen. I hand paint all of my designs, or I take an old designer handbag, cut it up, and attach the fabric or the leather, whatever it is, onto the sneaker. I also do some rhinestones. Alright, let's get started on the unboxing. So every order that I have, I include a handwritten note. I think it really helps, connect to the customer, and they feel really connected to their order and to my business. A lot of people don't write handwritten notes anymore. They're always like typed up and printed out, or digital, so I think it's nice to have a little personalized touch with the note. And then I also include my custom tissue paper with my logo on it. Let's see it better this way. The cool thing about my tissue paper is that it's all eco-friendly. It was all sustainably made from No Issue tissue paper company. Definitely check them out. They're great. Alright, let's see the sneakers. So I have my little hang tag here. It has my logo, my website, and my Instagram handle on the back. And these are really special. I made these just for this course, for the final project. And I decided to go with the Dior because I was really inspired by the Jordan Diors. I love them. I think they were so flawlessly executed. There's like just enough Dior on it so that it doesn't look overly logoed. So I wanted to do something in that same vein where it's not like crazy Dior all over it. It's just on the middle section of the shoe. I took an old Dior Trotter like PVC makeup bag that I had. I wasn't using it anymore, so I cut it up and it looks a lot better on the sneakers, I must say. These are really, really fun. I love the strap. I wear a lot of Air Force One lows, so it was nice to get a mid this time and be a little bit different for me. Here's a little behind the scenes before I glue them together. So first I take the swoosh off very carefully with an X-Acto knife, and then I prep the surface with acetone to make sure I get the factory finish off. And then what I do is I cut out the PVC material so that it's the exact shape that it needs to be. And then I glue it all together, glue the swoosh back on, and that's it. I can't wait to wear these beauties. They'll look great with jeans, sweatpants, and then shorts in the summer. So thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my site at djzoedesigns.com and follow me on Instagram at the DJ Zoe.